The commercial that you just saw was completely edited utilizing Invideo, and today you are going to learn how you can do exactly the same. To make it easy for you, I am going to split this process in three. First, we are going to put together the timeline. Second, we are going to create all transitions. And third, we are going to add all text and music. But before we jump on the computer, there are a few things you need to know about Invideo. With Invideo, you get to create gold standard videos in minutes, even though if you don't have any editing experience. You can do all that for free, or you can get a membership with more options for as little as $15 per month. And if you use my special code, you will get 25% discount. You also get more than 4,000 completely customizable templates and a stock video library of more than 10 million assets from premium sources like Shutterstock, iStock. Trust me, you want this. Invideo allows template switching so you don't have to restart your projects from scratch. 24/7 chat support and video community of more than 20,000 marketing experts. Also, you can add unlimited members to a single account. So I highly recommend that you join the Invideo community so you can get feedback for your videos. Without any further ado, let's go on there.
Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is you have to go to invideo.io and you need to create an account. Once you have created that account, then you can use all the templates and all the benefits that you can get with Invideo. You can use the pre-made templates, the text to video, or black canvas. Since I recorded my own video, I'm going to start with the black canvas. So I'm going to click on black canvas and then I'm going to select my aspect ratio. You have a 9:16, 1:1, and 16:9. Since this video is for YouTube, I'm going to choose 16:9. Then I'm gonna click on make a video, and that is gonna bring me to the editing main screen. So what I'm gonna do, every time that you do this, you're gonna end up with a blank scene. So this scene, what you're gonna do is you're gonna fill it with your videos. All right, so the first video is gonna be this one. So we're gonna drag it into here, and that's gonna be our first scene. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start making the cut so I can bring all the videos at once to my scene, or one by one. So I'm gonna do this one by one. Let me cut this one all the way until here. This is where I want it to end, right here, and I hit done, and that's my first part of the scene. So the next one, I go to scene, click on blank scene. It is going to ask you this question each and every time. You just say yes to it and proceed to your next clip. So since it's the same video, I'm going to just bring it over to the main screen, and I'm going to proceed to make the second cut. The second cut is going to be here. I want it to start here, and I move the end all the way until here. All right, hit done, and I already have my second scene. So if I play it back, this is what let me get rid of the music. Also, something that I forgot to mention, that every time that you open a scene, it comes with the default music, but you can delete it. Just click over the thing, go to edit, and then delete it. All right, so let me play it real quick. All right, okay, and also every scene comes with this default message in there. So you just click on it and then you delete it. Same thing with the logo. Right here, boom. I'd rather to do that at the end so I don't have to do it scene by scene. So you already saw how you can add multiple scenes or multiple clips to your scene, or you can do it one by one. Again, you go to scene, blank scene, say yes, drag your video to the main screen, and trim it. Hit done. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna complete my full timeline, and it's gonna be the same process. All I'm gonna be doing is gonna be clicking on blank and bringing the video into the main screen. So I'm just gonna speed it up so you don't have to see the whole process. Okay, so our timeline is completed. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to add transitions between all of the clips that we put together. So the first one is going to be a fade, add it. So you just click on it, then you go over here and you add a fade to it. And this is another way that Invideo make it super easy for you. You don't have to be going scene by scene to try to put the transition between the clips. You can click on it, and then you go to the three dots over here, and it's going to give you the option to apply the transition to your entire timeline. Okay, so now we have transitions between all of our clips. So the next step is going to be to add the music and the text. So again, the text, I want to keep it simple, so I'm going to do something at the beginning of the commercial introducing the vehicle, and then at the end with the name of the vehicle and the slogan. So all you have to do is you go to your main scene, to your first scene, and then you go in here to text, you add a heading, and this is gonna be really simple. I'm just gonna type the all new Jeep. So I already have my text the way that I want it. So all you have to do, if you want to add any special effect, like let's say that you wanted to your text to come in with a fade in, or to come from one side to the other, whatever the case might be, all you have to do is highlight your text, and then you go to edit, and in here you can change the animation. You go to animation, then you're gonna mark your in effect and your out effect. I did the same thing for the end scene. So again, I kept it simple, a black background with the name of the brand blowed up, and then the slogan that I came up with. And this is another advantage in how easy Invideo makes it for you. So all you have to do is you have to go to music. So you just click on it, then you tap on the plus icon, and it's gonna go all the way to the bottom of your timeline. Automatically the music is going to start with a fade in, and it's going to end with a fade out. So after you were doing that, you're already done with your video. So all you have to do, you go here and download and share. You can share it directly into whatever platform you like. It's going to be exported at 1080p. Then you click on export. But after that, all you have to do is share your video, and you're going to be done with your project.
All of the discount and community links are listed on the description box below. And if you want access to world-class stock footage from premium sources like Shutterstock and iStock, you can simply upgrade for as low as $15 per month or $90 per year. Make sure to use my discount code to get 25% off. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Activate the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And I will see you next time on the water.